Hello everyone, Team Chasers welcome you all to an explanatory video of our problem statement for SIH 2022. Our problem statement code is PS935 for UGC committee. Let us understand the problem statement. To optimize the resources amongst the HEIs, enhance the utilization and share the advanced resources, a portal is needed to be developed. On this, all HEIs will put their resources and applicable conditions for its use. Any HEIs can contact these HEIs for using their resources. This will reduce the undue financial burden on the HEIs who want to use it for short duration and give financial benefits to the HEIs who are having such high resources. The focus of this problem statement is to create a platform for HEIs to update their shareable resource details. Also, aspirant HEIs can submit their requisition for the desired resources. A recommendation system will be designed for an aspirant HEIs for easy search and use of resources effectively for their growth in lab sessions, research and product developments, etc. Here's the description of our solution. Our solution aims to create a portal to share the resources amongst the HEIs. This will enhance the utilization of those resources and ensure the access to crucial machineries and labs for the HEIs. A merchant HEI can add the details about the labs and equipments and other resources they want to share with the time period it is available for, and the same can be viewed and booked by client HEIs. To implement this web-based portal, we will implement the role-based consoles like Admin Console, UGC Admin, HEI Admin, HEI SPOC, HEI Office Staff using the role-based hierarchy model so that privileges of the action performed by each role in the overall system will be assured. The role-based hierarchy model will be implemented as follows. The first role is HEI SPOC. He can apply for various resources from other HEIs. The second one is HEI admin. He will administer the operations performed by SPOCs and office staffs. The third role is HEI office staff. They will help HEI admin with the tasks like payments and troubleshooting supports, etc. The fourth role is UGC office staff. They will manage approvals of HEIs signing up on the platform and provide support. The next one is UGC admin. They can view all the analytics in their system and can change them. Then comes super admin. He can manage all the roles under them. This is the flow chart for the role-based hierarchy model. We have super admin at the top. Then we have our UGC admin. UGC admin has its office staff and HEI admin. HEI admin has their HEI office staff and HEI SPOCs under them. Now let's move on to the key features. The first key feature is the ability for the HEI to charge for the resources which are being put up on the website to ensure the better servicing of their resources. The second feature is chat system between HEIs putting up the resources and HEIs requesting the resources will be developed. This will ensure the fluent communication between HEIs. Some other features are multilinguistical functionality to ensure a better user experience for the people speaking native Indian languages. Notifications will be provided at every step of the process to ensure the faster and smoother communication. Chatbot will help to solve the FAQs of all the HEIs signed up on the system. In addition to these features, we have automated bill and invoice generation if the resources is kept as pay to use. Recommendation system for HEIs using machine learning algorithm will be developed for showing them the better resources suited for their requirements. Integration with payment gateways to ensure the payment facilities for the resources they are kept as pay to use. Platform can be financially sustainable by taking a percentage of the total payment done by HIEs to other HIEs for using their resources. The feedback system for both HIEs will be developed to rate each other and ensure the best service. Approval letters and temporary ID cards will be auto-generated for the client HEI students who would be using the other HEI's resources. Now let us look at the institute sign-up process. First, HEI admin will start the sign-up process by filling in the basic details like name, mobile number, email, etc. Then they will verify the mobile number and email to an OTP. Then they will fill out the institute's basic details such as location, accreditation, etc. Then the profile will be sent for the approval to UGC admin. Once approved, the HEI admin can add their SPOCs and other office staff to our portal. So now let us take a look at the process for adding the resources. For this, HEI admin will select the type of resources they want to put up. Then they will add all the details regarding the resources. Then they will be shared with UGC office staff. A notification will be sent. UGC office staff can decide to approve or reject the request. This is an optional as of now, but we can make it compulsory if it is required. After the approval, it will become available on our search pages. The other HEIs can search and apply for it. Now let us see how HEIs will search for the resources. They will first search for the type of the required resources. Then they can filter out the results based on location, cost, machinery required, etc. Then they can select the desired resources from the result. After they clicked on booking, the notification will be sent to HEI offering that resources. Once HEI approves the request, the other HEI requesting the resources will be notified. Also, payment option will be shown if applicable. After all the processes are completed, a notification will be sent to both HEIs regarding the booking. Also, temporary iCards and letter of approval will be generated for the members who are using the resources. Again, feedback will be taken from both HEIs to improve our service. Machine learning is going to be a very important aspect of this portal. The recommendation system will be designed using machine learning algorithms for the aspirant HEIs for easy search and use of resources effectively for their growth in lab sessions, research and product development. Now let's look at the comprehensive analytics we will be using. AICTE will be able to see the analysis based on their bookings, the total amount of the resources shared on this portal. So what are the technologies we will be using? We will be using Vue.js for the front end, Python and Django frameworks for the back end. We will be using MySQL and SQLite for the database management, Chart.js and D3.js for analysis, and Python for machine learning. These are our dependencies: server for storing and sending data, SMS gateway provider and email gateway provider for OTP generations. Now let us see how our solution is cost effective. We have optimized our database architecture using normalization techniques and have made our provisions for the sharing in future. As the size of database increases, we will be using Redis cache service to ensure the cost and performance optimization. In the case of increase in demand, we will be using AWS auto scaling group for cost optimization and continuous services. We will be using AWS S3 storage bucket service since it is cost effective and provides the best possible service. To ensure the faster delivery of the files and media assets and to reduce the load on the server, we will be using CDN servers. Thank you for patiently listening to our presentation, and we hope to have our team selected for SIH 2022.